How to delete Amazon Prime videos from iPhone or iPad to free up storage space. So first of all, you want to go onto your Amazon Prime Video app. What you'll realize is that a lot of your iPhone or iPad storage space is actually being used by movies you've downloaded on here. So what you want to do is go to the bottom right hand corner of your Amazon Prime Video app. You'll see downloads just there. Go ahead and click on that downloads icon. Then in the downloads section, there's two different options. You can go ahead and delete one movie you want to by clicking on the three little dots on the right hand side of the one. I'm going to do the one at the top there, that Braves one. You can go ahead and click on that. Then you want to click on delete download, then click delete downloaded videos. That's how you do one of them. If you want to do all of them, what you want to do is click edit in the top right, go ahead and then click on select all, then click on delete. And then that will delete all the videos on your Amazon Prime Video. So that's how it's done. Leave a like on the video if it helped and subscribe for more helpful videos.